So let's see the method of animal classification. First method is traditional method. So traditional method of animal classification, traditionally depending upon the presence or absence of notochord, the animal kingdom has been divided into two groups, non-chordates and chordates. So what do you mean by notochord? Actually, notochord is a long rod-like supporting structure which is present on dorsal side of animal body. ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो पाठीचा कणा. It keeps the nerve tissue isolated from remaining body. So backbone, presence or absence of backbone, notochord, which keeps the nerve tissues, isn't it? So on the basis of notochord, either it is present or it is absent, animals are classified into two types, non-chordates and chordates. So let's see the first group, the characteristics of non-chordate animals. Characters of non-chordate animals are, the first character, body is not supported by rod-like notochord. That means notochord is not there in non-chordates. Second is pharyngeal gill slits are absent. So pharyngeal gill slits, for respiration it is used in aquatic animals or amphibians. Pharyngeal gill slits are absent in case of non-chordates. Third is nerve cord is present. If present, it is on ventral side and it is solid and paired. आता बघा नर्व कॉर्ड जर असेल तर तो उलट साईडला असतो, आपला कुठे असतो मागे. अवर नोटोकॉर्ड इज प्रेझेंट ऑन बॅक साईड अँड इन नॉन कॉर्डेट्स ॲनिमल्स इट इज इफ इट इज प्रेझेंट असला तर असतो, अदरवाईज इट इज ॲबसेंट. इफ इट इज प्रेझेंट इट इज ऑन वेंट्रल साईड, तो समोरच्या बाजूला असतो. देन हार्ट, आता अपोजिट कॅरेक्टर अगेन, heart is present on dorsal side. आपलं हार्ट कुठे आहे? our heart is on front side, isn't it? But in case of non-chordates, heart is present on back side, so dorsal sides. Then one more information is given here about non-chordates. Let's see. Non-chordates are again classified or divided into 10 phyla. All these 10 phyla are very important and we have to learn all these 10 phyla. So let's see one by one. The first phylum is Protozoa. Second is Porifera. Third is Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Fourth is Platyhelminthes. Fifth is Aschelminthes. Sixth is Annelida. Seventh is Arthropoda. 8th is Mollusca, 9th is Echinodermata and 10th is Hemichordata. So all these 10 phylums are there in non-chordate animals. A big, बहुत बड़ा group है ये non-chordates का, which have 10 phyla. Okay, so let's see more about chordates.